seemingly cannot complete the climb to the roof. The helicopter takes off with them hanging from the rope. Before they manage to successfully float away, the rope then gets stuck, somewhat ironically, on a CCTV camera. The footage then shows them rise and drift out of shot. They then landed nearby in a getaway car and made their breakaway attempt in the relative safety of the vehicle, probably pleased just to have their feet firmly on the ground. The escapees and their accomplices were then found just hours after they floated away to freedom. Not quite the Hollywood ending they planned. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more videos like this. Also, here by Dash.